Hi everybody, Jeff here. I'm down here. I've got this set up so that you can see my hands. You don't need to see my face. Hopefully I can show you a couple things. What this is for our Tuesday group, the Melody Minstrels. Once a week, when we would meet on Tuesdays, I would give a little tip, just something to show people. So there's 10 weeks, 10 tips, and I promised to do a video of what those 10 tips were so everybody could remember them. So that's what this is. If you're an intermediate or advanced player, this probably will be very basic for you. If you're a beginner, some of this will be helpful, some may be too much. So it depends where you are in your uke life as to whether this is helpful or not. So if you get something out of it, fantastic. If you don't, then move on and find something else that is helpful. Okay, let's get to it. Excuse me. Tip 1. We know how to make a B flat shape. We bar those first two, and then come over. We have a B flat. Okay. If you come up a fret, that's a B. If you come up one more fret on 3, start on 3, then that's a C. So instead of doing C the way we always do it, sounds fine, but when you do the B flat shape starting on 3 to make your C, it has a much fuller sound. So when you're in your uke jams, I don't know, I get bored with the same old stuff, so I'll just go to that shape for the C, the B flat shape. Likewise, if you come up to the 5th fret, then that's a D. And that's a real cool D instead of making D the way by doing the 1, 2, 3 that we're so used to. I like to make that B flat shape starting on the 5th fret, and on the 3rd fret we have a C. 5th fret B flat shape is a D. 3rd fret B flat shape is a C. Okay, number 2. In the second week of doing this, I introduced a basic rock strum. And nice and easy, basic rock strum. I'm just going to make a simple C here. And it goes down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. So that's a nice little basic rock strum. Remember that the calypso or Latin strum is down, down, up, down, 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 up. Okay? So the basic rock strum, down, 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 up, down. And the calypso, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Okay? Number 3, a simple finger picking pattern is 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. G, C, E, A. 4, 3, 2, 1. Assign one finger, the thumb, to the 4 string, index to the 3rd, middle finger to the E string or the 2nd, and your ring finger to this bottom string here, the A or the number 1 string. 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, G, C, E, A, G, C, E, A, G, C, E, A. Isn't that pretty? Trying to get to where you can see it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Straight on down. Okay, number 4. Song memorization. I think it's always hard to memorize songs. Some people are good at it. But an easy one is if you can just do C, F, back to C, G7. You've got C, F, C, G7, C, F, F, C, G7. In the village, the F, village, the C, sleeps to G7, C, F, F, C, G7, C. Get the idea? C, F, C, G7. You got Lion Sleeps Tonight. All right, number 5. This doo-wop progression, this doo-wop chord progression is good for hundreds of songs. It goes C, A minor, F, G7, C, A minor, F, G7, C, A minor, F, G7, and you've got heart and soul. I fell in love with you, lost control, and you've got blue moon. And remember the Catalina song? 26 miles across the sea, Santa Catalina is a-waiting for me. Return to sender, address unknown. However that goes. So there's hundreds of songs. Just remember, always practice C, A minor, F, G7, C, A minor, F, G7, C, A minor, F, G7. So that's a cool little progression. C, A minor, F, G7. All right, number 6. When we make a D minor 7, we make a D minor, and then I'm trying to get to where you can see, and then we add the pinky down here to get the 7th. So there's a D minor 7, right? The way I like to make a D minor 7 is just bar the 5th fret. Instead of just bar that 5th fret. It's just a really cool D minor 7. Okay, number 7. The inside-outside picking pattern. I may have done this before. We simply pick the 2 inside strings. Get a little closer. Top, down. So the 2 inside strings. These are the 2 inside. These are the 2 outside, right? So take the 2 inside and go top, down, and then move to the outside strings, top, down. The top one first, C, E, G, A. C, E, G, A. C, E, G, A. Top, down, outside, top, down. Inside, outside, inside, outside. And, excuse me, if you practice that a lot, get that pinch in there, which comes later. So you get the idea. The 2 inside, the 2 outside. That's a nice little picking pattern. You can also go outside in. Just start on the outside and go to the inside. Sounds better, doesn't it? Okay, here's my very favorite one. In the key of G, we often see a G and then an E minor. And sometimes it's hard to get from that G to the E minor. So what I do, or like to do, or what was shown to do, is you make a G, just a regular G, and get that pinky finger and come over here on the 4th fret in this 3rd string, which is a C. And if you get that pinky over, you have an E minor from the G. There's the G, there's the E minor. G, E minor. Let's get a better G. G, E minor. G, E minor. G, E minor. G, E minor. Isn't that great? So it just seems so easy. Just move that pinky to get that E minor. Wow, you have your G. Okay, number 9. What I was doing earlier is to pinch the 2 outside strings, the G and the A. During a song, it kind of sounds good. And all I'm doing is pinching those 2 outside strings. So you can kind of weave that into... So if you're doing the inside-outside picking pattern, you can add in a pinch. And that sounds kind of cool, huh? The other thing that the pinch is good for is if you're doing a waltz strum in 3/4 time, instead of going a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You can instead do a pinch. 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So the pinch, 2, 3, pinch, 2, 3, pinch, 2, 3, pinch, 2, 3, pinch, pinch, pinch. So that's kind of a neat 3/4 strum, huh? Okay, last one. The triplet. This took me a year to learn. I learned this from Little Rev, and I'll play it first and then I'll show you how. It goes like this. Let's see. So what I'm doing is I'm going down with the index. Now you can use 2 fingers if you like. I like to go with 1, but down with the index, followed by the thumb. So it goes. And the let is up with the index. Index down, thumb down, index up. Triplet, triplet. Okay, down with the index, down with the thumb, up with the index. Okay? All right, there's 10 tips, and I hope some are useful. I hope at least one is useful. So give it a try. Okay, thank you.